Dear student, welcome to official YouTube channel of ASSMS IOIT. I am Harshada Magar, Assistant Professor from ENTC Department, will help you to solve some numerical from the subject Digital Signal Processing. In this session, we will see relationship between Laplace and Z transform. Now, let's take Laplace transform. Now, the Laplace transform of a continuous signal x of t is given as x of s is equal to summation integration 0 to infinity x of t e raised to minus st dt. So this is nothing but Laplace of x of t, that is x of s integration 0 to infinity x of t e raised to minus st dt. Now to obtain the discrete signal, we will perform sampling of this x of t with a sampling time t. This discrete signal we will denote it by x of n. So x of n is equal to, as it is a discrete signal, we will replace this term by summation. So n, small n, that is the number of sample that is going from 0 to infinity, as it is a continuous time signal. So 0 to infinity x of n t, that is n number of t sampling time. So nt delta t minus nt. So this is nothing but a sampled signal. Now the Laplace transform of this x of n is given as, suppose capital X of s, that is Laplace transform of x of n, that is the sample signal. First of all, in this first equation it was Laplace transform of x of t. Now we are taking Laplace transform of a sampled signal. So it is given as, suppose capital X of s. Here I have taken small x of s. So suppose capital X of s, we will take it as n 0 to infinity x of nt e raised to minus n ts. Again we have sampled this t, that's why minus of nts. Note that this t is replaced by nt. This t is replaced by nt. So it is nothing but a discrete signal. So instead of integration we have taken summation. Now put z is equal to, e raised to st. So in this latest, so take it as a 1, equation 1, latest equation, that is equation 1. So in this equation put z is equal to e raised to st. So it will become capital X of s summation n 0 to infinity x of nt z raised to minus n. Why? Because we have taken this e raised to st as a z. Okay, so z is nothing but e raised to st. So it will become z raised to minus n. So it will become z raised to minus n. So we can write it down, z transform of x of this is, that is x of z is nothing but summation, z transform of this x of n is nothing but x of z is nothing but summation n 0 to infinity x of nt z raised to minus n. So it is nothing but the definition of z transform. If we consider t is equal to 1, then we are getting x of z is equal to summation n 0 to infinity x of n z raised to minus n, which is nothing but the definition of z transform. So we can convert x of s into x of z if we consider, or if we replace z by e raised to st. So this is the relationship between Laplace and z transform. So x of s can be converted into x of z if we consider z is equal to, or if we replace z is equal to e raised to st. So this is nothing but, finally we can say x of s is get converted into x of z at z is equal to e raised to st. Thank you.